I love preparing different recipes from rice because it's very versatile. So today I'll be showing you how to make rice and beans recipe, which is going to be very easy to prepare. It's budget friendly, it's packed with proteins and many nutrients, and the outcome is going to be very delicious. So stick around until the end of the video to learn how to make this easy recipe. You'll need a few fresh ingredients, and also you need some basmati rice, which is going to give you the perfect outcome. So over high flame or over medium flame, you're going to add in 2 tablespoons of cooking oil. This is a recipe for around 3 to 4 people, or it depends on how hungry you are. So to my pot, I'm going to be adding in 2 diced onions, which are going to add in flavor to my rice and beans. So I'm going to saute the onions until they are browned, so that we can have that nice, lovely onion flavor to our rice. The recipe is packed with proteins because you're going to be adding in 2.5 cups of parboiled red kidney beans. You can feel free to use any beans that you have in the house, and the dish is going to be very healthy and nutritious. I always have some parboiled beans in my freezer because it saves time during weeknights. Yes. By browning the onions, we are building up so much flavor for our rice and beans. So at this point, when I start noticing browning on my onions, I'm going to add in a thumb-sized grated ginger and 4 cloves of garlic that are also grated. Stir in, and then I'm going to cook for around 30 seconds or until the raw garlic and ginger flavor is gone. Watch over your garlic as it's cooking. Stir occasionally as the garlic and ginger is cooking because it burns super fast. When the garlic and ginger is smelling lovely, you're going to be adding in 2 large carrots. Toss the carrots in the aromatic oil, and then you're going to cook for around a minute so that the carrots can soften up a little bit. And to add in a very nice tomato flavor, I'm going to be adding in 2 fresh diced tomatoes to my pot. Stir in the tomatoes. Next, I'm going to be adding in 2 beef seasoning cubes, which are also going to add in a lot of flavor to my rice and beans. And you can also switch the beef seasoning cubes with vegetable cubes, and still the rice and beans is going to be very delicious. So you're going to cook your tomatoes for around a minute over medium-low flame until the tomatoes are cooked through. Once your tomatoes are ready, you're going to add in your beans. Toss the beans together with the tomatoes. Stir in the rice together with the lovely and delicious beans. And then, because I added in 1.5 cups of rice, I'm going to be adding in 3 cups of water to my pot. Stir in the water into the rice, and then I'm going to let everything come to a boil, and then I'm going to be checking the seasoning. If it's not perfect, I'm going to be adding in more salt. So this recipe is very simple with basic ingredients, and actually it has no spice except for the beef seasoning cube. So it's a very, very easy and simple recipe that you're actually going to love because the outcome is going to be so good and delicious. You're going to cook your rice for around 3 to 4 minutes or until the water has fully reduced, and then you're going to reduce the flames to low, cover and simmer for around 5 minutes until the rice is fully cooked. My rice is ready. And wow, the aroma in the kitchen is just amazing. So I'm going to put out the flames and fluff up my rice. Guys, this is how my rice has turned out. It's looking fluffy, it's well seasoned and just perfect. Enjoy this rice just as it is because it's packed with protein and very nutritious. So I'm going to give my rice a try. Wow. The rice is just perfect and delicious. And also you can check out my rice playlist up here or in the description box because I totally love any rice dish. So thank you so much for watching, and I hope you'll be trying out this rice recipe. Bye.